Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome to Race Speed. I am Matt. I have a big giant box here in my 2016 Focus ST. It is a box from Watson Racing. I just picked up a 4-point roll cage for my 2015 Roush Stage 1 EcoBoost Mustang. We're gonna get that put in. Hopefully it's not overly difficult. I expect I can at least get the roll bar part in. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get the legs in and do all the, the drilling and stuff that needs to be done. But I'm gonna give it my best shot. Try to minimize how much I gotta pay somebody, if that's the case, to finish it up for me. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try and get this thing out of here and see if I can get this thing going. Wish me luck. right, sometimes guys, you need to ask for a little bit of help here with certain projects. This is one that I could probably tackle myself. It'd take me longer and it'd be definitely more difficult. And it is really hot today. It's supposed to be mid-90s with like 55% humidity. And that's kind of going to go all the way through the weekend as it gets warmer and warmer. So I want to get this stuff done. Brought the car over here to Chris. He's helped me out with a few projects in the past. Does great work, and he's literally like 100 feet away from my garage. I pull out the road and then turn in another driveway and I'm here. So it works out really good. We're going to go ahead, get it up there on the hoist and mount this properly. So that means getting the legs mounted, lined up right, drilling the right holes in the right spot, following the instructions that come from Watson, because they're actually really good instructions, and just do what they say, and we should have it buttoned up in no time. So let's check it out. Right. Well, with these race brakes, when they're cold, that's just unfortunately it's just what happens. Yeah. You're good here. From here, I suggest you follow the instructions provided with the roll cage from Watson Racing. You need to line up the pads perfectly to have clearance for the brackets underneath, and they explain it well. This is where a second person really helped out. I got inside the car as Chris put it up in the air. From there I bolted in the legs as he held up the 4 brackets underneath. I appreciate Chris helping me finish this off. He saved me a ton of time and effort. I was then able to get my new Corbeau seats attached to the mounts and installed in the RS1. With everything bolted in, I'm ready for the next track event. I hope you enjoyed the video and click that like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you are stopping in for the first time so you can catch up and keep up with race speed. Have a great day.